Venus became a scorching furnace. So is Earth truly safe from the same fate? It is almost the same size as our planet, almost the same mass, made from roughly the same rocky materials. From a distance, Venus should have been Earth's sister. But instead, it became the closest thing to hell in the solar system. Its surface is hot enough to melt lead. Its atmosphere is nearly pure carbon dioxide. Its clouds are made of sulfuric acid, and the pressure on the ground is so crushing it feels like being almost a kilometer beneath Earth's ocean. So what happened? The answer may be one of the most important warnings in planetary science. Long ago, Venus may have had water, maybe even oceans. But Venus orbited closer to the Sun, receiving much more solar energy than Earth. As the planet warmed, more water evaporated into the atmosphere, and that changed everything. Water vapor is a powerful greenhouse gas. The more water evaporated, the hotter Venus became. The hotter Venus became, the more water entered the sky. And the more water entered the sky, the faster the planet heated. This created a runaway greenhouse effect. Eventually, Venus became so hot that its oceans could no longer survive. Water vapor rose high into the atmosphere, where sunlight broke it apart. Hydrogen escaped into space. Oxygen reacted with the surface. Venus lost its water forever. Then carbon dioxide took over. On Earth, much of our carbon is locked away in oceans, rocks, forests, and living things. But without oceans, Venus had no effective way to remove carbon dioxide from its air. Volcanoes kept releasing more of it, and the atmosphere grew thicker and thicker. Over time, Venus became trapped under a massive blanket of heat. Today, its surface temperature is around 465 degrees Celsius, hotter than Mercury, even though Mercury is closer to the Sun. That is the terrifying lesson of Venus. Distance from the Sun is not the only thing that decides whether a planet lives or dies. Atmosphere matters, water matters, carbon matters, climate balance matters. So could the same thing happen to Earth? Not exactly the same way, at least not soon. Earth is farther from the Sun. We still have oceans, a working carbon cycle, and life constantly reshaping the atmosphere. Our planet has natural systems that help regulate temperature. But Venus proves that a rocky Earth-like planet can cross a point of no return. Human-caused climate change will not turn Earth into Venus in the near future. It will not boil the oceans tomorrow. But it can still make parts of the planet dangerously hot, raise sea levels, intensify storms, damage food systems, and push ecosystems beyond recovery. Venus is not a prediction. It is a warning. A planet does not need to explode to die. It can simply lose balance. And once that balance is gone, even a world almost identical to Earth can become completely uninhabitable. Venus shows us that habitability is fragile. Earth is not special because it is rocky. It is special because everything is balanced. The distance from the Sun, the atmosphere, the oceans, the carbon cycle, the thin layer of life covering its surface. Venus was Earth's twin. Now it is a reminder that planets can change forever. And the most frightening part is this. The difference between a living world and a dead one may not be size. It may be climate. So what do you think? Is Venus just a dead world next door? Or is it the most important warning Earth has ever received? Let me know in the comments, and follow Stellarscope for more stories from the universe that change how we see our own planet.